Hey guys, today we're going to make a Christmas wreath. I got this wreath form at Dollar Tree and it's a 3D wreath form. No, we're not going to do that. We're going to just do a regular wreath form. So I'm just going to somehow either tape these together or wire these together or just use one. I don't know, we'll figure it out. Come on, let's go pick some stuff. First we're going to start with this one because look at how pretty those are. Won't that be pretty in a wreath? Oh, I like it, I like it. All these little baubles. They're so cute. Sometimes I wonder what people driving by must think when they see me dressed up like this, trimming my front yard trees. I can hear them now. No, seriously, there was a lady dressed in vintage clothing trimming a tree. Let's drive by again. She was even wearing a hat. Now, let's go make our wreath. Spit a little bit.
Okay, let's try that again. This time maybe keep our spit in our mouth.
Now, let's go make our wreath. And you know what I think would be really cute is to add some of these little red berries. I'm stuck! Hey! Tree's attacking me!
When trees go rogue.
Alright, let's go make our thing!
Do you wanna, okay. Where are we going?
Okay, we have all of our things together here and we're ready. I have pipe cleaners that I'm going to use instead of wire because frankly I had these pipe cleaners left over from my old life when I did other videos, and so we're going to use them because I am done being wasteful. I'm also done buying things unnecessarily. We've got to get away from consumerism, people. So we're going to start with this wreath form, and it's supposed to be a 3D ball. We're supposed to put it together in some way or fashion, but this is not what we're doing today. We're going to make a traditional wreath, so we're going to use it basically like this. This may or may not work out like I think. Oh, I don't know what I'm doing. Good enough. That'll be fine. Now I'm going to start putting these on here. I'm going to take off all the brown bits because we don't really want it to look brown. We want it to look nice and green. All the brown parts are going away. Ooh, and whatever this is. I probably shouldn't have touched that. That's gross, but okay. Alright, so I got one. And I want it to look full, so I'm going to put it out like that. Hey, we've got one. Maybe I should use brown. Maybe brown will look better. The green is kind of bright. Brown is kind of bright too, though. I don't know which one I like best. Here's a really long one. Oh, this is really long. Oh, I like the brown better. The brown seems to mix in better. And you know what I'm thinking? They don't have to be super secure. I mean, they have to be secure, obviously, but not like you don't have to wire them in at every little angle because it's not like it's going to be moved. And it's not really something that can be rehung next year, obviously. Now we're gonna fill in any little blank spots that need to be filled in, that look like they need a little more attention. Now let's start putting the berries in. I think that's just a little too much extra greenery there. And now we're gonna go hang it up. I think it looks cute. I really like how it turned out. I like that everything came from my garden, that it only cost me $1 for the wreath form to make this, and everything I had on hand. The pipe cleaners were just left over, and even if you don't have pipe cleaners at home, you can use garbage ties, or you can use sandwich ties. There's so many other things you can use, or even string or thread. This is a very low-cost, beautiful wreath. Let's go hang it up. I think it looks so beautiful. Very festive, very rustic. It's just so cute. I think it looks so pretty, and now it's really starting to feel a lot more like Christmas. Now here are my two favorite dogs in the whole wide world, Cassie and Wolfie. Do you want to give me your frisbee? Oh, thank you! Go get it! Good job. Oh, did it fall in there? Okay. He's my baby. You got frisbee? Would you like me to throw it for you? Can I have it? Okay, I'm gonna have it. You gonna take it? Are you gonna take it? Let mommy take it. Let mommy take it. Woo! Sorry that didn't go very far.